All right. So I just finished setting my camera and I want to say this. I think I need help. Yes. No, not I'm not going mentals. I think I need help in the sense that I need somebody to tell me to have faith in myself. Because explain to me why I would do a big analysis from a higher time frame, place a trade, wake up, see it move against me, and run out for absolutely no reason. Like, in fact, there's no concrete reason to leave the trade, and then later discover that that trade went for profits. Let me explain this. Right here on the chart, as you can see, this is a trade I was supposed to be in. Was supposed to be in. It was a pending order I placed on Friday night. Was it Friday night? Friday night. And then I went to sleep. Saturday the market wasn't working. Sunday the market wasn't working. Sunday night the market comes up, right? Sunday night the market comes up. And then Sunday morning, I woke up at early morning to go to work. Past 4, and I just saw the trade going strongly against me. Guess what I did? I closed. I closed right here. You can see it right on this candle at the highest point of this candle. I was waiting for price to go beyond this place. I couldn't wait any longer. You can see what price did. Price went exactly equal high. 0 0, like it's an exact equal high, and then started to revert. I closed at equal highs, and now I want you to see what's happening. Matter of fact, let me put this up high. Can you see what happened, people? Today that trade was supposed to have given me 80 something dollars. It's 1.25. Let's do the maths. Let's do the maths. I risked $50 in the trade. Let's make this white. I risked $50 in the trade. Oh, sorry, that was an error. I risked $50 on the trade. This is how I risk trade. So if I risk $50 in this trade, multiply it by 1.25, this should be around So I was literally looking at $62.25 to be made, added to the 99.5 something I had before. Now I lost how much? I lost $19 because I did not think before I closed the trade. God, I feel so stupid right now. I feel so stupid. I won't lie, I feel very stupid right now. It's not real money. It's not real money. I understand, people. It's not real money. But then again, it's stupid. Like, it's clearly stupid. It's stupid. Let me explain the premises behind this whole thing. So, on the monthly, this was the entire analysis. On the monthly, this is what's happening. Now, we had allow me just hide all of this stuff because seeing it right now is making me unhappy. On the monthly, we had this scenario, right? This particular scenario happening. We are currently sitting at a fair value area, right? Currently sitting at the fair value area, and we expect price to up or down, retrace up or down, right? But then again, if you look at it, price is going to really go down. This is a fair value area. It's a fair value area. Now, the good thing about fair value areas is this is meant to happen. This is a bearish fair value gap. So let me put it let me put in some inscriptions, like some descriptions for you guys to know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'll make this blue. So this is what I expect to happen. Price come in here, find mitigation and move down, right? Either here, or take note, there's another fair value gap right here. These are areas I expect to see reversals in this market. These two places. If it doesn't happen within this first one, it happens within this place. That's what I expect. Now, if this is what I'm expecting, it means I'm supposed to sit down on the daily and wait for a fair value gap in and a fair value gap out on either this red level or this red level. That's going to happen at some point if markets wants to continue going lower. Then again, right? That is on one side. But then again, I can't wait like a couple of how many days it will take the market to dance up and down to get to where it's going. So we decided to use the liquidity rate and liquidity sweep theory. Now, price went above this point and was heading strong, right? If price is going above this point, it is supposed to head for this if it's heading strong. So above this point, we are looking for the exact same thing, a liquidity situation. Price go up and down using fair value gap on the daily or on the weekly, whichever of them rocks the boat. Now on the weekly, I can't see ups and down, but I can see something. I can see a bullish weekly fair value gap right here. This is what I can see, right? Now, if this is a bullish fair value gap, what did price do last? What do I mean? Did price create a fair value area recently? Yes, it did. You can see this up, down, up. This right here, my dear friends, is something called a fair value area. So what do I expect price to do now? I expect price to do a ping pong effect. Go up, bounce onto this, and go up a little bit, probably at least take this out. Maybe not get all the way here, but at least take away this one, right? This is the expectation of what I felt price is going to do. I'm not saying the market should do what I want it to do. I'm saying the market, from my understanding of the market, this is what the market is likely to do. Now, not just inside here. Price could do whatever it wants to do, but somewhere within this zone, right? Somewhere within this place, price is supposed to move back up and at least remove this, right? Minimum target. That was supposed to be minimum target on the weekly. If this was really happening, I had to jump down to a lower time frame and observe. This was my analysis of Sunday. This was exactly what I analyzed on Sunday. Now, I expect price to at the least in its fall down, which it's already doing right now. At the least, it was supposed to come here. Hence, I was waiting for any fair value gap, pushing price to the low. This, my dear friend, was the first fair value gap, and not just any kind of fair value gap, a very beautiful fair value gap at a point of clear show of reversal, meaning this high was protected. If I should pull back that short position, what do you see? Do you see that trade? Do you see that trade? That was what the trade was supposed to be about. And for some reason, I woke up in the morning and I cut it off. I did not remember what I was doing. I don't think I even noticed what I was doing at the point in time when I closed that trade. But I closed it up and I feel so angry at myself. I feel so terrible. But then again, I won't say anything. Let's just let this market ride. Right? Let's just let this market ride. This is the lowest point I expect this market to get to. Take away probably this liquidity or this liquidity at most. I'm not saying this is the highest I expect. Again, like I said, the market does not care about what I think, but this is the highest I expect. And well, let's see how it goes for next week, or rather for this week. Basically, I have one trade here which is supposed to be the buy trade. The buy trade is running in heavy losses. You can see I entered the market right here. This is the trade. I'm aiming for this high. Like I said, the list is I expected to take out this one, right? And then move up till it comes to somewhere around here. I don't think this first one would hold, but if, again, if you can see where my stop loss literally is, this is the worst I think it should come to. If it comes beyond this point, I might as well just walk away from this market. And if it's to do that, it's going to do that with minimum of, I'm watching out for this. I'm watching out for this. So I already have, I think I have too many things on this chart for you guys, not you guys won't understand what I'm trying to say. So I want to take away a little bit of shenanigan, right? So understanding what I'm trying to say is this, right? If the daily is going to push downwards, I already have this fair value gap up. Now, if after 3 days in a row, I see push down, push down, push down, and I see any again, any bearish fair value gap downwards from this market, I would exit this trade immediately. Did I just close this trade? No. I thought I just closed this trade. So, my dear friends, that's how I'm seeing the market for the Australian dollar, USD dollar. I have not been able to analyze the market. I've been glued to work today, all day yesterday, all day today. So this is my trade analysis, current trade analysis, and previous last trade analysis. You can see the analysis was correct, but the trader, well, is a scary little bunny. But it's part of the game, right? It's part of the game to become understanding, to understand the market, and to learn it. But for this, I think I've learned something new today. My analysis are actually good, and hence I would try to stick to it more than I actually do currently. With this, I'd like to say thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of video and you prefer something different, you can leave a comment below. What you think the Australian dollar USD is going to do? I want to see what you think, your thoughts. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll catch you all on another one. Peace. So if you're out there and you want to see what forex trading really looks like, this is the channel for you. Like, trust me, this is the channel for you. This channel is the raw documentation of actual progress and regressions that a person who is into forex seriously and also has a 9-to-5 job is like. This is literally the whole shebang. There is no hiding anything. There is no pretending. There is no extra editing. There's no fini fumbly. It's just seeing the real raw experience. Seeing your trades go straight into profit, seeing your trades go into profit and then go back to entry and stop loss, seeing your trades go straight into stop loss. That is what this channel is all about.